Right. Today, hello to my one. You all welcome to the grade 8 maths class. Right. Uh, so last time we started the square root and we discussed the basic concept of square root. So today we are moving forward with square roots. Okay. Right. So we wrote the perfect squares up to 400. So can you remember the perfect squares I have written? Right. So you have to remember those things before we are starting the next chapter. Right. Uh, okay. Today, I want to my one. You all. So we have discussed the square roots values up to 400, but at least remember the basic things, right? We discuss square root 1 as 1, okay? Then square root 4 as 2, square root 9 as 3, square root 16 as 4, okay? Then square root 25 as 5, square root 36 as 6, then square root 49 as 7, then square root 64 as 8, then square root 81 as 9, then square root 100 as 10. So remember these square roots values, right? Then we discuss about square root 121 as 11, square root 144 as 12, then square root 169 as 13, then square root 196 as 14, then square root 225 as 15, then square root 256 as 16, then square root 289 as 17, then square root 324 as 18, then square root 361 as 19, then square root 400 as 20. Right? So we discussed these perfect squares and the square roots of such numbers. So we have written this one, right? That is clear to everyone. So these are the things we have written last week. Those who are not clear, right, they can also write these things, but we have written in previous week, right? Okay. හැමෝම එකපාරක් බලා ගන්න පුතා ආයෙ පාරක් මේ ස්ක්වයර් රූට්ස් වල වැලියුස් ටික දිහා square root 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 100 121 144 169 196 225 256 289 324 361 400, right? So now I will prepare a table, right? This table, right, with use of these values, right? See to the table. Right. එතකොට පුතා අපි මේවට කියනවා මේ square root එක හරියටම තියෙන value, exactly it has a square root, exactly 9 has a square root, exactly 16 has a square root 4, here 5. Likewise, the values, these values have exactly, right, whole number is square root. So we call that numbers are the perfect squares. Okay, what is that? Perfect squares. So these are 1 4 9 16 25 are called the perfect squares. Now I have a table. See that in this table I have two columns. Right here it mentioned digit 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 in the unit place of perfect square. Perfect square. And here we have the other column is digit. Digit in the unit place of square root. Square root. මොකද්ද කියලා මම ඒක කියලා දෙන්නම්. Right. එතකොට මොනවද perfect squares කියන්නේ පුතා? What are the perfect squares? So these are the perfect squares like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. These are called the perfect squares. So perfect square having a whole number square root. Right. Okay. So in the perfect squares, you can see the unit place digit. What would be the unit place digit? Here 1. Okay. Then 1 should be there. Right. Then can we check any perfect square ending with value 3? Can we check any perfect square ending with 3? No. So it means no any perfect square having unit place digit as 3. The 3 වලින් ඉවර වෙන perfect square නෑ පුතා කවුරුත්. බලන්න ඔක්කොම මේක ඉස්සරහට ලිව්වා 3 වලින් ඉවර වෙන්නේ නෑ. So in the unit place, right, there are no digits as 3. Then what about unit place digit 2? Are there any perfect square ending with 2? No. No any perfect squares ending with 2. So 1 is there, but 2 and 3 no. Then 4, yes. The perfect square is there ending with 4. That is fine. 5, any perfect square ending with 5? Yes, here 5 and here also 5 we have. Right. So 5 is there. Then 6 we have, yes, here 16, the unit place digit is 6. Then 7, 7 ending digit 7, no. Ending digit 7, no. Right. Okay. Then check ending digit 8. Do we have ending digit 8 as the perfect square? No. So 9, yes, we do have. Here 9, ending 9. Okay. So these are the perfect squares having the end digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Right. 7 is not there, right? Yes, 7 is not there. 6 and 9. Not ending 7. Right. Yes. So 1, 4, 5, 6, not even 8 and 7. So 9. So how many digits are there in the unit place of the perfect square? So these are the digits. Now check what is the square root of ending digit 1. 1 වලින් ඉවර වෙන ඒ වගේ root එකේ digit එක මොකද්ද? root එකේ unit place එකේ digit එක පුතා. Unit place digit 1. And here check ending digit 1, then unit place digit 9. See ending digit 1, unit place digit 1. Ending digit 1, unit place digit 9. එන අපිට පේනවා options දෙකක් තියෙනවා. If any perfect square last digit 1, then the answer of the square root last digit may be 1 or 9. What are the answer? 1 or 9. So I tell you how it happened. Put a 1 becomes like 1 into 1, 1, 9 into 9, 81. In 81, last digit 1. That is why 9 came. Then 4. Make an ending එක 4 නම් square root digit එක last digit එක 2. One option. Then ending digit 4. Here last digit 8. Then 408 තියෙන්නේ. 408. That means 2 into 2, 4, 8 into 8, 64, last digit 4. Then 5, last digit 5. So here also digit 5. Then method 5, answer ki last digit 5. So that is 5. Then 6, the perfect square ending digit 6. Then square root ending digit 6. Then here 6 ending digit, square root ending digit is 4. Right. එනම් පුතා මේකේ answers දෙක either 4 or 6. දැන් ඒක පැහැදිලි වෙනවා. හේතුව 4 into 4 16, 6 into 6 36. දෙකේම අර්ධ 6 ඉවර වෙන්නේ. Then 9 9 now 7 Amitra 9 now 3 right and 309. So this table is very important, right, for finding the square root of any value, right? Okay, Putev. First, write down this table because this is given previous day. These things are there in your note. No need to write again, just start the table.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the 0 won't come for the perfect square, sir.
So,
0 won't come to perfect square, sir.
yes, here 0 is there. We missed it. 0. We place the digit 0. 0 meter 1, 0 king, 0, right? Zero there, first starting value is 0. Right. So what are the digits in the perfect square? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So what are the digits wouldn't be there in the unit place? 2 is not, 3 not there, 7 not there.
Okay. காதுக்கு குழம்பு பேச
Right.
இல்ல நாட்டா
Right. So that table is done. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. And here zeros 109, 208, 5, 406, 309. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, right. So that is done. Remember this table. For the next question, we need this one. Before that, we write the topic. Right now, we are moving to the next topic. Hold. Write down. Find in the square root. Find in the square root. Square root with prime factors. With prime factors. Right. See, Puta, what are the prime factors you know, right? Just tell me the prime numbers first. What are the prime numbers you know? Right. These are the prime numbers set. Remember for future, right? All the time we are using this prime number. So starting prime number is 2, right? First prime number is 2. Then we have 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, continuing, so on. So what are the prime numbers means to you? Right, that means they are having only two distinct factors, only two factors. That factors are 1 and the number itself. Okay, only two factors. Right, 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 only. 3 is 1 and 3 only. 5, 1 and 5 only. They are not divisible by other value. Okay, except 1 and the number itself. That's why we are saying that is prime numbers. Okay, right. So now you understood the prime numbers. So we are now going to use these prime numbers to find a square root. Understand the concept, huh? Right. First I take this number 576. So they are asking you to find the square root. This is the square root value 576. Okay, now we are going to divide this 576 by the prime numbers starting from 2, right? See there. So I take 576 and I start the division in this manner. So I start by 2. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 1 is there, then 17, 2, 8, 16, 1 there, so 16, 2, 8. So 288. Okay, then I again divide it by 2. If it is divisible by 2, you have to divide. Then 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4. Then I again divide by 2, 272. Then again divide by 2, 236. Right. Then again divide by 2, 218. Then 2, 9. Then 3, 3. And lastly 3, 1. Okay. Now, these are the divisible values, right? So now I can write 576 square root as square root. In between that, I write the product of these all. Metike okugema product එක ලියනවා පුතේ. Right, බලාගෙන ඉන්න ලියන විදිය 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6 twos and 3 twos. Right. So this is the 576 as a product of prime numbers. Okay. Now, Puta, I need to make couple exactly similar pair of these products. Then man කරන්න ඕනේ පුතා මේ මෙතන ඉන්න ඔක්කොම 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 මේ 8 දෙනා සමාන ගොඩවල් දෙකකට ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එකක් විදියට ගන්න ඕනේ. ලේසි ක්‍රමයෙන් දෙකේ ඔක්කොම කවුන්ට් කරන්න 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 twos there. So when I separate into 2 parts, then 3 twos comes to 1 part. හොඳට බලන්න ඉන්න සමාන ගොඩවල් දෙකකට මේ දෙන්න වෙන් කරනවා. We separate. Here we take out of 6 3 twos. Why? Then other 3 twos goes to the other. Then from 2 threes එකෙනෙක් ගන්නවා. සමාන ගොඩවල් දෙකකට බෙදා දීමනේ. right දෙකේව 3යි 3 එකකුයි ගන්නවා. එතකොට මෙයා ලියන්න පුළුවන් 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 ඔය වගේම එකක් නේ. right, similarly we multiply by 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. මොකද්ද කරේ ආයෙත් බලන්න we wrote as a product of prime numbers. Then we have to build up two similar groups. Right. So how to decide that one? 2 6 are there. So bring two threes and three twos there. Bring three one. හරියට බාගි gain එක set එකට. Now similar two sets are there. So we can write now similar two sets mean its power 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 as 1 and its power 2. Right, that is the index law. Same two things means its power 2. Now remember in mathematics there is a law in grade 11 we know this one, learn this one. The square and square root is there. But at this year level I will tell you, remember the power 2 is there. Square root means half power. Which power? Half power of a number. Right, so if I have the half, these powers being multiplied. What happened? Then 2 multiplied with half mean 2 cancelled. Right, then square, imagine in your level, square root and square values being cancelled out. That happens because the root is the half power and here power 2. When multiply 2 and half, it becomes 1. But remember in this your level, when you make a square here, it cancels with the square root. මෙයා square root එකට කැපිලා යනවා කියලා හිතන්න, cancelled out. This one cancelled, then only the within the bracket answer. Right. So what is the answer? Square root cancelled with the square. Now answer 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This only. Then you can see 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24. So the square root 576 is 24. That is how you take it use of prime factor. There another understood here the concept. See, if you take a square, it is cancelled with the square root. Just write the answer inside the bracket. Make tika තමයි answer එක ලියන්න. So again we put the square root here? No. තමාරු මෙහෙම ලියලා 24 square root දානවා. That is incorrect. From this step, square root missing with simplifying with power 2. Right, then answer this one. Write down Putta. And I will again explain another examples. එකම ජාතිය දෙන්නෙක් හැදුනහම මේ ස්ක්වයර් එකට ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එක කැන්සල් වෙනවා කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. Once you finish, tell me. Right. Understood, everyone? Right. So I will explain on the examples, then it will be okay for you, right? Right. Finish writing. Hands up those who finished. Right. First, this division and then these steps.
Done, sir.
Okay. Right. Now I will take finish writing. If anyone writing, let me know. Huh? So 784. Everyone see how to do this one. Huh? See, Putta, 784 square root we are going to find with use of this method. Okay. So what is our first step? We have to write it as a product of prime numbers. Then we are going to divide it by prime numbers. See there. So 784 taken. I start the division by 2 because it is divisible by 2. 2, 3, 1 remaining. For 18, 9. Then 2, 2. Then 2, 1. 1 is remaining. Then for 19, 2, 9. 18. For 12, 6. Then 2, 9, 18, 1 remaining, 8. Then again 2, 40, 9. Right. Now here you can see that is 49. Then see whether what is the divisible prime number, 49. It's not divisible by 2. Then you move to the 3. It is not divisible by 3. Then 4, 4 is not a prime number. 5, no. Then 7. Yes, 7 is the divisible number. So 7, 7. Then again for 7, again 7, 1. Until you reach 1, you divide it. Understood? So after that, see there, 49 not divisible by 2. Then next prime number 3, not divisible by 3. Then 5, next prime number, no. Then 7 is the possible. Right. So that's what we did. See there. When I write square root 784 as the square root, inside that I write this product. See there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Durbuta, make then garnet. Right. Exactly. We separate into two similar products. So how we check number of twos there, number of twos, 4 twos there. So you can bring for one say two twos. 2 into 2. Okay. Then දෙකේව දෙකක් ගන්න. භාගයක් ගන්න. මේකේ හතේව දෙකක් තියෙනවා. 7 twos there. Take 1 7. Right. Now similarly multiply. Another set like this. අපි මේ කරේ පුතා එකම ගොඩේ තියෙන ටික එක සමාන සෙට් දෙකකට කෙරුවා. Right, 2 twos and 7 ones. Now you can write directly, right? That is as 2 into 2 into 7. Same two things means power 2. Now answer is taken. Power 2 and square root cancel. Remember in that way. So square root eliminated. Square root time we know. Right. Then answer becomes 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2, 4 into 7. 2 into 8. So the square root, this one becomes 28. හොඳයි පුතේ ලියා ගන්න හැමෝම. Write it down. Everyone write it down.
Sir, I cannot see your board.
Right that. Now it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Hands up those who completed this one, then I will give one. Right. Right. So those who completed, now I will give a question you to do and I will check the answer. Okay. Ready? Next challenge. Right. So I will give one questions you to do and you have to give me the answer. Okay. Right. We have this question. Right. Write down this one. Right. Find the square root of 1296 with use of find the value using prime factors. Using prime factors. හරි බලන්න වැඩේට බලමු. ගණන් දෙකක් දෙන්නම් 1296 අනිත් එක 2025. Right. එතකොට කෝකෙන්ද අපි divide කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලම පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ 2 වලින්. If it is not divisible by 2, we move to the 3. Not by 3, then 5. Not by 5, then 7. Likewise. Okay. So you use only the prime numbers for the division. Okay, Pute, start doing and send me the answers to the chat.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
Can you please tell me the prime factors?
Yes, we wrote in the first instance. These are the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. So you are checking the divisibility by this one first, 2 volume divisibility, right? If not, then you to move to the 3. If not, check with 5. If not 7, if not 11, likewise. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Likewise, ask any questions if you are not okay, right? You have to be okay, right? Next time I teach you a very simple methods rather than using the prime factor, right? For finding the square root. Okay, complete it. Give me 3 minutes for both question.
Sir, I send you the first one.
Right. Hands up those who finish. We received two answers from Negan. One answer for first question. Okay, right? Right. Okay, Bhutev. Right. Hands up those who got the answer. This one, 1296. 1296, that is square root 1296, that is 36. The answer is 36. Hands up those who got the answer 36. Okay, good. Right, 36 is the answer for first one.
Sir, I sent the second answer.
Okay. Right. Now check Putta. I will. Okay. Very good. Now I will check how to take the answer 1296. See there. So I pick 1296 and start the division by 2. It is divisible by 2. 2, 6. Then 2, 4, 8. 1 remaining. 4, 16. 2, 8. Then again I divide by 2. Right, because that is divisible by 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4. Then again divisible by 2, 2, 1, 2, 6, 2, 2. Then again divisible by 2, 2, 8, 2, 1. Now check. That is 81 not divisible by 2, then divisible by 3. Then 3, 27. Then again 3, 9. Then 3, 3. Then 3, 1. Okay, the divisibility. Now the divisibility by prime factors finish. Now you check this answer 1296 and you write as a product of the numbers these numbers, right? So how many twos are there? 4 twos, and here 4 threes. Now එකපාරම ඔයාට ජෝඩු දෙකකට කඩා ගන්න පුළුවන් සිමිලර් දෙන්නේ. සිමිලර් පෙයා එකක්. කොහොමද කඩන්නේ පුතේ? ලේසියෙන් බලන්න එකපාර 2 fours තියෙනවා 3 fours තියෙනවා. මේකෙන් භාගි ගන්න දෙන්නගෙන්. So how many twos there? You take 2 twos and here how many threes? 2 threes. And take square. එකපාරම දාන්න square root එක දාන්න. ඔය step එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. You can move to that step. Okay? Right. So 4 twos there and 4 threes there. So pair by pair you build up. So one pair is 2 2. Here 3 threes and c square. So now I explain this is square and square root being cancelled out. Right? Square and square root cancelled. Then it becomes this answer inside answer 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 into 3 36. So the answer gives you 36. Hands up those who got the answer 36. 36. Okay, Putte? Right. So that is good. Now we are moving to the next question, 2025. Those who didn't write, they can write it down. Okay, finish writing. Okay. Now we have 2025. The next question. That which I. Right. So I take the answer 2025. So first I divide the 2025 by the values. So here not divisible by 2. 2 volume bad. Last digit is 5. Then check with 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. How to check? Check the digital root. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Yes, by digital root you check it and that is divisible by 3. Then 3, 6, 18. Then 2 there, 22, 4, 3, 7, 21, 4, 5, 3, 5. Then again check with 3. Then also divisible by 3. So 3, 2 and 3, 2, 6 and 5. Then again divisible by 3. Yes, 3, 7, 21, 4, 15, 3, 5. Then again divisible by 3. Yes, 3, 25. Then not divisible by 3, then you move to the 5, 5, 5, then 5, 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Right now, you can write this 2025 square root 2025 2025 as square root of these, right? Product of these. Tell me, then 3 4s there, right? And 2 5s there. Now build up same two pair. From the current put how many 3s are there? 4 3s there and 2 5s there. So you bring 2 3s of this, right, and 1 5 of this, right, and then keep a bracket 10 square. Because similar product and take the square root. Now you know square and square root cancelled out. Then the answer becomes 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 5, 45. That is the answer. 45. Hands up, those who got the answer 45. Right. Okay. Right. This is the last question. I am waiting for your answer and you can send me the answers to the chat now. We will check who will take the answer. Write down square root, last question, 729. Square root 729. So that is the question for you. I am waiting for your answer. You can send me the answer. So you start with the prime factor division. So you check with 2. No, it is not divisible by 3, 2. Then check with 3. If not, check with 5. If not, check with 7. Likewise. Yes, we got answer from Tarusha. Good, Putta. What about others? Okay, we got answers from Negan, Sakina, and further. Subhati also given the answer. Good. What about others? Tinuli, Sasindi, Julan. Right, you have to take the answers. Sasin. Okay, good. Tinuli, answer is correct. Okay. This is day 20. Right. Okay, I got answers, all of you given that 27. Right, we'll check answers for that. So with use of prime factors, you can divide it by starting 2. Right, key in the patangani 2 wali. But that is not divisible by 2, last digit 9, exactly not divisible. Then we start with 3. With the check 3, yes, digital root you can take, that is divisible by 3. Then 3, 2, 6, 1 remaining, 4, 12, 3, 4, and 4, 9, 3, 3. Then we can divide it by again 3, 3, 8, 3, 1. Then again 3, 3, 27. Then again 3, 3, 9. Then again 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. So all divisible by 3, right? So that divisibility is okay. Now you write square root 729 as product of, write these numbers. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now make a pair of 3. 2 pair of 3 exactly equal. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mean exactly 2 pairs means 3 threes are there. Then make a perfect square 2 times. Right, make the square root. Then square and square root cancel. Then the within bracket answer is the answer. Then 3 into 3 into 3. Then you get the answer 27. Okay, now you understood the concept of finding the square root with use of the prime factors. Okay, hari ned වැඩි set. එහෙමනම් අපි යමු next part එකට. Without using the prime factors, the very easiest method of finding the perfect squares, square root. Okay, right. Write down the subtopic. Finding the square root further. Finding the square root further. The square root further. Right. Remember here the perfect squares as I given at least 400 perfect squares. What are the perfect squares? Right, these are the perfect squares. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, right, 64, 100, sorry, 81 and 100. Okay, then I take the square root of it. Square root 1, 1, square root 4, 2, square root 9, 3, then square root 16, 4, square root 25, 5, square root 36, 6, then square root 49, 7, square root 64, 8, then I move to the other two. Square root 81, 9, then square root 100, 10. Okay. So these are the perfect squares, square root, right? The square root of this one you have to remember. Okay. Right. Write down this one. And further we have that table, right? We drawn previously. We are the last digit of the perfect square and the square root last digit, both. Write down these things. Right, Putin. Finish writing. So you know square root 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Okay. Right. Now further remember, right, the last digit case, right, the perfect square. So this is the last digit of perfect square. Last digit as I, so this is being written, last digit of perfect square. That is last digit of perfect square. Then last digit of square root. Right, this concept. Last digit of square root. Then පුතා මෙන්න මේ දෙක හොඳට බලා ගන්න. Right, so as we explained previously, last digit would be 0, 1, then tell me, we discussed not 2 and 3, then 4, 5, not 6, 6 there, 6 there, 5, 6, and not 7, 8, then 9. So these are the digits given, right? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 would be there. And then what are the last digit of the square root? Then බලන්න පුතා last digit එක මොකක්ද කියලා square root එකේ? Right, we wrote 0, last digit 0, 1 means 109, right? Then we wrote 4 means 2 into 2, 4, then 18 to 8, 64, then 5, only 5, then 6 means 4 into 4, 16, then 6 into 6, 36, then 9 means 3 into 3, 9, 7 into 7, 49. So these are the possible square roots for the digits ending the perfect squares. Making ඉවර වුණොත් අගේ ඉලක්කම root එකේ last digit එක මේ දෙකෙන් එකක්. මෙයාගේ අගින් ඉවර වෙන perfect square නම් its last digit 5. if the last digit of the given square root perfect square is 6, the last digit of the answer should be 4 and 6. ඔන්න බලන්න මේක කරන විදිය. එතකොට අහගන්න මේක හැමෝම. එතකොට අපි කියලා දෙනවා කෙටිම ක්‍රමයක්, ලීසිම ක්‍රමයක්. මේක ඔයාලගේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ නැහැ මේ ක්‍රමය. මේ අවසාන ඩිජිට් එක හොයන මේ ටික තියෙනවා. හැබැයි අර මුල් ඩිජිට් එක හොයන කම්ප්ලෙක්ස් මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකක් තමයි කියලා තියෙනවා. මම ලේසි ක්‍රමයක් ඒකට කියලා දෙන නිසා හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්න. right. Right. So this is how you deal the question. See there, Puta. So imagine now I got right 576. So we used previously the prime factor methods, but this is not the prime factor method. It is easy than that. So now this is easy, right? So now they are asking square root 576. See, Puta. So now this shall be a perfect square. Make පුතේ perfect square එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේක perfect square එකක් තමයි ඔයාලට exam එකේදී එන්නේ. Right. Now here we check the last digit. So what is the last digit of perfect square? උත්තර බලන්න ඉන්න 6. Right. Then we know if the last digit 6 of the perfect square, then the answers last digit, square root answers last digit have two options, either 4 or 6, right? එහෙනම් අපි මේ table එකට අනුව square root එකේ හොයන්න තියෙන digit එක 6 නම් answer එක 4 or 6 last digit එක. So we can determine the last digit is 4 or 6, right? We write as a side 4 or 6. කියන්නේ මෙතන මුල ඇවිල්ලා කවුරු හරි ඉවර වෙන්න ඕනේ 4 ගෙන් නැත්නම් 6 ගෙන්. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කරන්නේ we cut the last two digits of the number. See there, I cut last two digits of the number, that is 76. And then check square root 5. 5 නේ තියෙන්නේ පුතා. දැන් අපි බලනවා square root 5 වලට lesser value එක කවුද කියලා perfect square එක. Square root 5 then less than that, what is the perfect square? පහට අඩු perfect square එක බලන්න අපි ගන්නවා 100ට යනකම්. We are term RCA we get no perfect square. 1, 4, 9, 16, right? 25, 36, 49, likewise. So 5 near to 4 perfect square. Then square root of 4, take the answer. What is the square root of 4? 5 less than 5 is near to 4, lesser value 4. 4 square root is 2. Now you have the first digit of the number and the last digit of the number, two options. So you now know the answer shall be 24, 2 and 4 combining, 24 or the other one 2 and 6 combining 26. So how to check? In the book says that you can multiply 24 by 24. If you take the answer 576, then that is the answer. If not, select the other. Exactly, that is the answer. Without multiplying that value, you can choose that one. If taken, that is the answer. That is the book says. But I teach you another method. So without multiplying this value, you can choose out of this value to what is the answer. So what I do here, the answer 2 there. So 2 taken and 2 multiply with the one after the 2. 2 to passe ඉලක්කම multiply කරන්න. මොකද 2 to passe ඉලක්කම 3. Then 2 multiply with 3. 2 multiply with 3 and see the answer 6. Okay. Now you check මෙන්න ගත්තම මේකට ආපු එකට වැඩි කෙනාගෙන් multiply කරන්න. 1 after 2. 3 then 2 into 3 6. Now compare with 6 the remaining 5. දුකට බලනවා පොතේ මේ 6 ට වඩා 5 කියන එක less. So you can now say for 6 එකත් එක්ක බලන්න 6 එකත් එක්ක 5 කියන්නේ less. එහෙනම් පුතේ less value එක ගන්න ඕනේ මේ දෙන්නගෙන්. කවුද less? 4 and 6 ගේ. Right, 4 is the less. Then combine with 2. Then the answer is 24. Hands up those who understood the concepts. 24. That's my method. Okay, I will do another one. No need, right, to worry. Okay, but they again see that. Again see the answer. Right. Okay, first write down this one, Putta. This is being written now. බයවෙන්න එපා. තව අපි discuss කරනවා. Write down this. Once you finish, tell me. Right, okay. Now it is done. So I will give one questions you to do. No, I will explain another one. Huh? Right. Okay, finish. Right. So I will ask questions from you. Right, keep in touch. So I have this type 2116. මේක ලීසි පුත අර වගේ ගොඩාක් ඔට්ටු වෙන්න දෙයක් නෑ. කෙලින්ම ගත්තයි ගෝන මෙතන. Right, this is my answer. Right, what is the first step? We check the last digit 6 and we determine what would be the last digit of the square root. Tell me if it is 6, what is the last digit? මේක ඔන්න ලීසි මතක තියාගන්න. 6 හැදෙන්න ඕනේ multiply කරපුවාම. යාගේ multiply කරපුවාම 6 එන්නේ කාගෙන්ද? 1 into 1 no, 2 into 2 no, 3 no, 4 4 into 4 16s there. So 6 there last digit. So you check 4, then 5 no, 6 also okay because 6 into 6 36. So the last digit of the answer either 4 or 6. You check that one first. Okay, then what you do? You cut the last two digits of the number 16 cut and see what is the remaining part. 21. So now you check before 21, what is the perfect square you have? Before 21, that is 16. So we determine all the values 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 likewise. So 16 square root. What is the 16 square root? You take as 4. So the answer should be put down now. The first digit 4, last digit 4 or 6. So 44 or 46. So the answer shall be 44 or 46. Out of that, you have to now check. Right. Now check what is the answer. How to check that one? Right. Check 4 and multiply in your mind 4 by the next value. 4 into 4 to pass in 5. 4 into 5, 20. Make a ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ පුතා. මනසින් කරන්න පුළුවන් 4 into 5, 20 and check with use of 20. What is that? This is 20, but here the remaining value 21. So that is more than 20, right? That is more. Right. Here 20, but here 21. That is more. Right. More means the more value taken out of 4 and 6. Therefore, the answer not 44, the more value 46. Right. Clear, Ganapati? Write down. This one you can do with your mind. Right, පුතේ හැමෝම හදාගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මේ ක්‍රමයට වැඩි වෙලා යන්නේ නැහැ, right? තේරුණානේ කරපු විදිය? Right. So the next example, while you are writing, see to me, I take the second one, square root 1444. Right, Kote. So last digit you check 4. Right. 4 means the last digit of the square root shall be 224. Have no I? 8864 had 208. Then what you do? You cut the last two digits and 14 you have remained. So before the 14 perfect square is 9. Then 9 square root is 3. You check. Now you know the answer. Either 32 or 38. Now how to check that one? You take and multiply with the upper value for 3, 4, 12. Now you check with respect to 12 and 14. Make 12 to වඩා මොකද කියලා බලන්න ඕනේ. 12 to වඩා 14 more. Then out of these two, take the more value. So what is the more value? 8. So the answer is 38. Write down, put down. 38. Two examples. Then you have these two equations, three equations with use of this method to find the perfect squares. Right, by this method you can find right, not much hard equation. 256 and I will give 441 and another I will give 841 and the last one bigger one, 3481, 3249. Ariputi, right Liagamu? Right, send me the answers once you completed, okay? You have to do these four questions and send me the answer. So completed, send me the answer for 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. Right. Hands up those who completed all 4 questions. Still writing. Hari lesi puta me paadame. Right, that's very easy. So this is with the observation. We got the answers. Right, we will check the answer, Butta. Right, first question 256. So we know that we can take this answer. See there, last digit 6, 6 mean the square root last digit would be either 4 or 6, right? Then You cut the last two digits and 2 below perfect square is 1, 1 square root is 1. So now you have two options, either 14 or 16. Then you check 1 multiply with 2, then it comes 2. Now what happened? 2 and 2 equal. Right, in the equal cases also equal unotut api ganni wedi ekama thamai puta. Equal or more than, right? So equal to 2, then take the highest one. Then the answer is 16. What is the answer? 16, right? That is third one. Then fourth one, 441. So last digit 1, so that means the answer's last digit may be 1 or 9. Okay, then you cut the last two digit 41 and check here 4. Right, 4 square root, exactly we have square root 4, that is 2. So we have either 21 or 29. So how to check? Just 2 multiply with 3, 6, or 6. 4 is less than that 6. Less. And I'm making a value with a gun 2 with 1, 21. Okay. Right, now we are moving to the fifth one, 841. So square root 841, then last digit 1. So the answer's last digit will be 1 or 9. Okay, now you cut these two digits and take 8 less than 8. 4 is the perfect square. 4's square root is 2. So now you have two options, 21 or 29. Then you check multiply with 3. That is 6, 6. And here 8, 8 is more than 6. Then choose the larger one. Then answer is 29. Hands up those who got the answer, 29. Right. Okay. Right, now we are moving to the question number 6. Right, square root 3249 putta. Right, now check last digit 9. So that means either 3 or 7. Then cut last two digit and see 32. Okay. Then put 32, the lower square root is what? That is 25, right? 25. So you 25 square root is 5. Now answer 53 or 57. How to choose? Right, 5 multiply with the next value after the 5, 6, 30. Then here 32 is more than 30. The more than, so take the more value out of 3 and 7, then 57. Okay, hands up those who got the answers. Right. Okay, Putte. Now it is okay to you. Right now we know that is the very easiest way. මේක පුතේ පොතේ නෑ කියලා දීලා මේ ක්‍රමේ මේ value එකකින් හරි කෙනා තෝරන විදිය මේ ක්‍රමේ පොතේ නැහැ. හරි? පොතේ තියෙන්නේ 53 or 57. එහෙනම් 53 53 ගේ multiply කරලා බලන්න. So අපි එහෙම ලොකු multiplication එකට යන්නේ නැතුව without doing the multiplication we choose by this method. Remember that method. Okay? Right, now we will write this type of question. We completed the whole lesson, right? The square root, but I will do this type of question, right? Write down. I'll draw a square. This is a square. A, B, C, D. Right. Write down this one. ABCD square shaped land. Square shaped land having area of 1849 square meters. 1849 square meters. First one, find the side length, capital AB. Part 2, if a fence to be erected along the land ABCD, find the required wire length. Right. Clear well, proceed. Right. Find the side length of AB when the area given, right? Area 1849 square meters, Puta. Right. Area given and side length asking. Some students try to divide by 4. That is incorrect. So what is the method here? Area given to find the side length. How the area being built up? If side length AB, AB into AB, because same side length, right? That is square. So same side length, right? Multiplying each other. If I take the AB as x, then see there x into x the area 1849. That means x squared is the 1849. So x mean you have to take the square root of 1849. Right. So remember in simple manner, when the area given and asking the side length, take the square root. What you have to do? Take the square root of the area, then side length given. සරලව මේ ක්‍රමයේ මෙහෙම ඕනේ නැහැ ඔළුවේ දාගන්න side length means the square root of the area. Okay, right, so you take the square root of area, the square root of 1849. So you check the last digit. You can follow this method, right? Check the last digit. So last digit is 9, then choose the answer's last digit. That means 3 into 3, 9, as well as 7 into 7, 49, 307. Okay, then cut the last 2 digits and check 18. 18 less than that 16 is the perfect square. Then 4 is the answer. Then you check the answer 4 with 3 and 7, 43 or 47. Okay, 43 or 47. Then you check how to decide what is 43 or 47. Just 4 multiplied by the after value of 45. That is 20. It was 20 to 18. But to be 20, 18 is less. So out of these terms, take lesser value. Lesser value is 3. So the answer put up 43. So you can now write with the unit 43 meter. So side length equal 43 meter. Correct it. Right, the area given and take the square roots. That's the method. Right. Okay. Hands up those who completed. Right. So the last part, if a fence to be erected along the land ABCD, find the required violin. Here it shall be the required minimum violin. Okay. Think that is the minimum violin. Okay. Now they are asking the fence to be erected along this land. So that means we have to run through the A, B, C, D and come back here. That means you have to add up all the four side length together. Right. So how to take the answer? So one side is 43 meter. That means the perimeter they are asking P. So side length now we found 43 meter. Similarly, you have to run four such length. Just multiply with 4 to take the perimeter. So 4 into 3, 12. 1 remaining, 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 7. So it becomes 172 meters. Okay, hands up those who completed the answers. Right. Okay, Pute, right? Are you doing the master guide works, everyone? Master guide book, homeworks? Right. So you have to do the master guide works within this week for the square root lessons. Okay, master guide grade 1, grade 8, part 1 book. Okay, right. So we completed this lesson. So we have the balance lessons. We will continue by the next week. See there. So I will plan paper discussion before your term test. Paper discussion. I will let you know to the group the date and the timing, and I will share the paper with you. By next week, I will start the paper discussion. Maybe 2 papers at least. I will discuss fully before your first term test. Additionally to our class. Okay. Right, Pute. එහෙනම් අපි අදට session එක conclude කරනවා. So I will conclude the session for this week, and we will meet by next week and keep in touch with our program regarding the paper discussions. Okay, Pute, I go on. Thank you very much.